Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making venison tacos with lime crema. This recipe takes 30 minutes to prep and 20 minutes to cook. Serves 6 and is easy difficulty. Ingredients: 2 pounds venison sirloin, 2 teaspoons chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, half teaspoons garlic powder, 12 corn tortillas, 2 cups cabbage, 1 avocado, 1/4 cup red onion, fresh cilantro, half cup sour cream, 2 tablespoons lime juice, 1 tablespoon lime zest, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Step 1. Crema. Mix sour cream with lime. Combine all crema ingredients and refrigerate. Step 2. Seasoning. Toss venison with spices. Step 3. Cooking. Cook seasoned venison in hot skillet 5 to 6 minutes until browned. Step 4. Assembly. Warm tortillas and fill with venison, cabbage, avocado, and onion. Step 5. Finishing. Top with lime crema and cilantro. And that's how you make venison tacos with lime crema. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.